Hello guys, in this part we'll learn more about break and continue in C#. You have already seen the break statement used in an earlier chapter of this tutorial. If it was used to jump out of a switch statement, the break statement can also be used to jump out of a loop. So in this example, jumps out of the loop when I is equal to 4. For loop int I equal 0, I smaller than 10, and I plus plus. If I equal to 4, break the loop, break keyword, and console.writeLine I, control F5, 0, 1, 2, 3, and I equal to 4, and break the loop. C# continue. The continue statement breaks one iteration in the loop if a specified condition occurs and continues with the next iteration in the loop. So in this example we skip the value of 4. So for beauty console.writeLine line, and so example for int k equals 0 and I equals 0, I is smaller than 10, and I plus plus. And if I equal to 4, continue the loop and console.writeLine I, control F5, 0, 1, 2, 3, and there is no 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I equal to 4 and continue, jump once out of the loop. You can also use break and continue in while loops. So break example, int I equals 0 while I smaller than 10, and comment these codes, I is smaller than 10, and console.writeLine I plus plus, and if I equal to 4, break the loop, control F5, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Continue example, int k equal to 0 and while k smaller than 10, and if k equal to 4, k plus plus, and continue, console.writeLine k and k plus plus. And for beauty, copy this code, this line of code, and paste here, and with control k and u remove the comment. If k equal to 4, k plus plus to 5, and continue, and in here. And if k not equal to 4, console.writeLine and k plus plus, control F5, 0, 1, 2, 3, no 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.